You found it? Oh, maybe they're out of stock.
Ask! What's up? See if they got one in the back.
Have a look over here, like.
They're like toys.
Like toys.
I can't really. Aha! Found them. Somewhere. I think.
You've probably got to turn it on. It's a pretty cool ship though, isn't it?
I really want it now. I know.
20 minutes later.
Oh, there's a handle. How surprising is that?
That is surprising.
Is it a good box though? Because we need to carry it.
Yeah. This is bigger than me. This is bigger than me.
You want to go pay? Actually, we need to pick Lily a necklace
Yeah.
for her birthday.
Can I get her a special one? Carrying her the one that's one.
Yeah, is that a good? Maybe do this box.
Can she get this one? Can I get her something? Why do I want to open this when we get in the room, but then we wouldn't be able to bring it back?
You can open it. We just got to open the box carefully.
Okay. You guys help me. We'll just take the tape off.
Yeah, I've got scissors.
Ugh.
Lace, are you ready, princess?
That was heavy.
Yes. You have your room key with you? Yes.
Yeah, you want to do yours?
Do you want to do it, Lace?
Yeah.
Just got to tap on the top of the screen.
Yeah.
You can tap right there and hold it for a moment. Thank you. And you have it. You can have it back. And
Thank you. That's heavy.
That's the one.
Right.
It's okay, she's done it.
Oh.
You have your pirate costume already?
Yes.
Yes. You know who's going to be on board?
Yeah.
Which pirate's going to be on board?
Mickey.
Mickey. And there's one that has
Captain
a third in
Hook.
here. Yeah, and there's a third one that is not very nice.
Do you remember who that one is?
No.
He's on your sword.
Yeah.
Jack Sparrow.
Yeah, he's nice for some, and for the ghost, he's not very nice. Right?
Carry that all the way home.
To England.
We're not walking to England. We can't walk on water, mine.
Time for signature. If mommy lets you, you can sign. Yeah, you want to do that?
Your name, Lace.
And then check mark. You can hit the check button. There you go. Thank you, princess.
Don't get used to that.
Can I put your receipt?
I will.
inside?
I will get used to it.
Thank you.
This is going to be.
You're going to go around and collect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
What you got?
Oh, that's such
Someone has a big chop and you're the strongest ever.
I think that's a Christmas present, huh?
Not Christmas.
No.
First birthdays for the next 5 years.
I don't think so.
Good try.
Good try.
I'm
That's the deal.
She has to carry
She has
it
to carry it.
back to England.
Hey, that's easy.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I like your side. Very positive. Oh my goodness, this is super sparkling.
Can I get one in my size?
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there is.
There is. The better do, because if not, I would have come to your room tonight with Tinkerbell. And I would have Cinderella and her mices to work on it to make it my size.
Oh, make a
How about
bigger.
that?
Yeah, I think it's not a good idea. It was one come for the cross. That's it.
Thank
She's
you.
so cool. Bye, beautiful Prince. Enjoy. You're the strongest one ever.
I've got something on my back.
What?
Are you good?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
If I fall over, it's not my fault. It's a jellyfish.
You think that's a jellyfish?
Yeah.
You don't think that's an octopus? Would
I can't
you?
even see your QR code because you've got a bag on.
Hey, we've had this discussion. Let's.
Not on your arm.
Yes, thanks, Lace.
Oh wait, yeah, Lily's nails
Look
are like.
at what.
Be
we
careful
have.
because we've got to keep this box, okay? Cut.
Welcome to the Disney cruise.
Lily's nails are literally scissors. We don't need scissors.
No, I think they're over there.
Lily's nails are literally like scissors. But we don't want to ruin the box. because we've got to take this home with us. So this is going to be hand
Very
luggage.
gentle because we need the box as well.
Can't believe you got a cruise ship in a cruise ship.
Okay. Mine is.
Okay. Put it down
What do you mean?
this way.
I didn't know it was going to happen. So how did you know it was going to
I
happen?
know you, mate.
Okay,
Yeah,
don't
but
chuck the box. Place
20
it.
quid for 4 characters. You might as well just spend 80 more.
Yeah, do that maths.
But we got Daisy, didn't we?
Yeah, because in the other one there wasn't Daisy, Mum.
Yeah.
So
you can't miss
as opposed
Daisy.
to
out.
spend 20 quid, you may as well just spend 100 and it.
Yeah, but you got Daisy
On a boat.
and the boat.
I
And,
guess.
and like the woman said at the cashier desk, she was like, it makes all the sounds.
The ship.
Yeah.
All the horns. Dad was like, oh, all of it. I was like, no, mate, I think
There are
just-
like 6 horn sounds. She didn't really make it clear, did she? That's not what the Disney tune is about.
Yeah, they got stuff in it.
Why?
They've got the statue.
What?
I've got all the rest.
There's a statue?
Mickey.
Is it Mickey or Donald?
Mickey.
It's meant to be Donald.
It's Donald in the dream.
This
but
is
what
the
is
first one.
That means it's the magic, isn't it? Because wasn't that the magic?
No, so on,
Yeah.
there's a flat. That's like a TV. There's a TV which turns.
It's so good. Does it do a different
Oh
one?
my god, did she actually mean
There's
all
bunk
6 then?
beds. Look, they've got bunk beds, so you can't blame them.
No.
Which fold up too.
Oh my god, yeah, they do.
They have your bunk beds like you have.
Yeah, and a moving telly.
Oh, no way has it got a moving TV.
Mum.
Shut the front door.
Oh, okay. I'll shut the front door.
There's moving telly.
Say that again.
Things that other people find fascinating.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's the room number? The room number's 1998.
Has it got a safe with Doritos
They're
in?
on our floor.
What about a safe with Doritos in?
I don't think they have that. So they're gonna, like, they need to stay in their bedrooms. Passengers all remained in your bedrooms, please.
You guys ready to go to Portugal again tomorrow?
Wait, we're going to Portugal.
Yeah.
Also, they need to get in their bed.
You want to go put it in the bottom of your bed?
I'm gonna put them to bed.
Several days later.
Okay, so here's the tour of the Disney Cruise Line vessel.
Can Mickey be the Toro?
You got Minnie in the captain's deck.
Mickey will be the Toro, just so you know, everybody.
Pluto next to the shuffleboard. Then you got your funnels, swimming pool. You got a
Can
slide.
I tour them around with Mickey?
And you got Mickey on the first deck
Second.
with a porthole.
That's third deck.
You got a lovely lit up chandelier.
Well,
You got the Mickey
you
statue.
can barely see it because it's not dark.
You've got the loft. Then you got Donald. You got Goofy in the bedroom with a wall TV. And you got bunk beds.
Yeah.
Let's just move Goof out of the way. Pretty cool, isn't it? Then you got a piano.
Can I tell you the thing that's annoying?
What's annoying?
They don't have enough beds for all the characters.
Yeah. And then here you got the Walt
There's
Disney
only-
World Theatre. You want to rotate the screen for me in the theatre?
Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I
And
don't
then
know.
that's the cast.
And then, thank you
You
for
scroll it out and you have a curtain close. That's clever.
right now. It's time.
Front.
The bedrooms. Oh, that's a cool thing.
Get to see all
The
the
bedrooms
bedrooms.
and the boat, and the boat. Oh, and that's the alarm. Oh, All passengers. Sticky one. Whee! Oh. Whee! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.